How to fix Outlook login issues. So here I am in the Outlook application. So from here, if you are having some issues with logging in to your account, there are some different things that we can do to fix that problem. So from here, the first thing that you need to check is that you need to have an internet connection. So either you are using Wi-Fi or a wired connection. Make sure that it says connected and secured, because sometimes what can happen is that it will say you are connected, but you have no internet. So make sure you have an internet connection and then try logging in again. So if it's still not working, what we can do is check the server of Microsoft if it is operational. So just go to the browser and then type in Outlook server down. From here, you can go to their website, this one, Microsoft 365 Service Health Status. From here, it should say all products are operational. So that means Outlook is working properly as well. You can also go right here, then you can see Outlook is operational. So once you have confirmed that and you are still having some login issues, we can do some repairs in how to repair the Outlook application. So from here, we can go ahead and close Outlook first, and then we can go search for Outlook, right click, and then click on App Settings. From here, you should be redirected to the settings of Outlook, and then scroll down. Then you should see the repair and reset button. So make sure Outlook is turned off, because this will not work if Outlook is still open. And then you can also click terminate right here so that you will close all instances of Outlook. From here, click the repair button, and then it will now try to repair the Outlook application. Then after it has finished, open Outlook again and see if you can now log in. If not, you can try to reset Outlook, and then it says right here, if the app still isn't working right, reset it. So the app's data will be deleted. So what this actually means is that it will reset Outlook to its default state, and then it will log out of all of the accounts that is saved in your computer. Then from there, just log in again, sign in, and you can now see that it should now be working. If it's still not working, you can try to use the Microsoft Repair feature. So just go to Control Panel, click Programs and Features. From here in the search bar, type in Microsoft. Then you should see this, Microsoft 365 and Microsoft 365 Apps for Business. So if you're using a personal account, just use Microsoft 365. But if you're using a business account, use Microsoft 365 Apps for Business. So just select them and then click Change, click Yes. From here, you have two options. You have the Quick Repair and then you have the Online Repair. I suggest using the Quick Repair first, because this will fix most issues quickly without an internet connection. If it's still not working, now you can use Online Repair, because this will fix all issues but will take a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. So just choose either of the two options, click Repair, and then just wait for the repair feature to finish. Keep in mind that it will take a little while, like a couple of minutes before it finishes. And then after that, just go on to Outlook and try to sign in again. And then that is it. So those are the solutions that we can do to fix the Outlook having some sign-in issues. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.